Okay, so hello everyone, welcome to LeetCode. This is my first video and I'm going to upload a series of videos solving some famous LeetCode problems so that you can understand the problem easily and you can crack your DSA questions interview very easily. So the very first problem that I'm going to solve is the LeetCode number 1 problem. To some it's an easy problem and is a very famous problem and was being asked in many DSA rounds of many famous companies. Okay, so what the question says that we have given an array of integer nums and an integer target. Return the indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. So what the question is saying that we have to check whether there exist two numbers that after adding it will equal to the given target, like 2 and 7. When we add them, they will give the result 9. So we have to return the indices of those two numbers. So first of all, let's understand the brute force solution. In brute force solution, what we can do is we will check all the possibilities and check whether there exist two numbers that will sum up to 9. Okay, so what we will do is we will run our first loop from I to nums of n nums dot length, and the second loop will be from I plus 1 to the nums dot length. Okay, so I will be here 0. Let's just do right here, and just let me zoom in. So we have 2 7 11 15. We will be having I from 0 to nums dot length minus 1 and j from I plus 1 to, like, we will go 2 and j will be from I plus 1 0, I plus 1 is 1, 2 7, it's 2 plus 7 9. Yep, it's 9. So we will store the answer and return, and break from the loop and return the answer. Similarly, 2 plus 11, it's equal to 9. 2 plus 15, is it equal to 9? Then 7 plus 11, is it equal to 9? 7 plus 15, is it equal to 9? 11 plus 15, is it equal to 9? So this is the brute force solution. Now I'm going to tell you the efficient solution that interviews expect from you. And so what we can do is we can use a hash map, so that what we can store is we will do the complement of a number, like we will store the complement of a number, like when we loop through it, single loop, we will find a complement like target minus nums of I, 9 minus 2, that will be 7, and uh, we will check whether 9 minus 2, that is 7, and we will check whether 7 exists or not. Okay, 7 exists in the hash map or not. If it's exit, we will get our answer. Similarly, if it's not exists there, we will put 2 along with its index in the hash map. Then we will go I is equal to 1, then we will check 9 minus 7, we will find the complement 9 minus 7, which is equal to 2, and we will check whether the 2 is in the hash map or not. Yeah, 2 is in the hash map. So we will get the index of 2 and we will get the index of 7, like the 7 which is I, which is 1, and we will store both the answer and we will return the answer. So okay, let's create a map of integer and integer and map and new hash map. Then we have to create the resultant array in which we have to store our indices of length 2. We will iterate through array nums dot length nums dot length I plus plus. Okay, then we'll find the complement. Okay, so complement will be target minus nums of I. Okay, first I is equal to 0, which is nums of 0 is 2, and the complement we will get is 9 minus 2, that is 7, and we will check if map dot key contains key complement. If the complement is there, like if 2 is there, then what we will do is we will store result of 0 is equal to mp dot get complement. We will get the value, and the value will be the corresponding index. So the first index is this, and the second index is obviously I only. And if it's not there, then we have to just put it in the map, nums of I and 1, sorry, nums of I and I. Yeah, so when I is on 1, we will find the complement. The complement will be 9 minus 2, 9 minus 7, that is 2, and we have already put 2 in the hash map with its index, that is 2 and 0. Okay, so we will check whether 2 is in the map. Yep, 2 is in the map. So the first index will be map dot get of complement. The complement is 2, and we will get the corresponding value of 2, that is 0, the first index, and the okay, sorry, the second index will be I, and we have to return the array. Return the array. Okay, let's just submit the answer. Okay, it's saying target not find. Okay, target. Yep. So yep, the solution is accepted, and I hope you guys understand what I've tell you. This is the most efficient, I think this is the efficient way to solve this question. There is also another way where we can sort the array and solve the question, but it will take the complexity to n log n. The time complexity for this solution is big O of n only, and the space complexity is big O of n, where we are using an hash map to solve this question. Okay, thank you guys. This is my first video. Please like and subscribe, and I'm going to solve some really good LeetCode's problem in Java, obviously, and so that you can solve and understand the problem, and you can crack your DSA interviews very easily. So yep, keep loving. Thank you guys.